Welcome back to another episode of Sea Slurp's Fresh Noodle Fridays. We're just hitting the tail end of spot prawn season here in the Pacific Northwest in Canada, and I just wanted to use some fresh spot prawns and make a nice little pasta with it. So we're going to be making a spot prawn and saffron cream sauce pasta. It's so good. If you've never tried spot prawns before, they're like mini lobsters. They're succulent, they're a bit sweet, they're so good, and they're only usually in season for just a few short weeks, and I'm always out of town, except for this year, because obviously pandemic, last year too as well. But I'm really excited to finally start cooking with it, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started.
All right, we have our fancy ingredients here today. We've got our fresh pasta dough, but feel free to use dried if you want. 1 pound, 1 whole head of garlic, 2 juicy bulbs of shallots. We've got our saffron here, which is about 1 teaspoon. Whipping cream, we're gonna add about 1/2 cup. We also have 1/8 cup of butter and about 1/2 cup of dry white wine and 1 pound of fresh spot prawns. Pound your saffron down the mortar and pestle and pour about 1/8 to 1/4 cup of hot water on top. That will bloom and allow the color to bleed. Mince the garlic and shallots, and we're gonna go melt 1/8 cup of butter into the pan and adding those minced garlic and shallots in there. Go ahead and saute. Yes, we're gonna melt it down over a medium heat. And then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add some chili flakes, just a pinch, because I like a little bit of spice. Add that wine in. I'm actually cheating and using marsala. Add your bloomed saffron water there. Add your spot prawns, and we're gonna let that cook for 2 minutes. So after 1 minute, we're just gonna go ahead and flip the side there. Not super necessary, but if you want to, you can. Then we're gonna remove that from the pan because we don't wanna overcook it because that would be really, really, really sad. We're gonna go ahead and cook our pasta. I'm just using fettuccine, and we're gonna go ahead and add some cream to the pan, nice and creamy over there. We're gonna give that a bit of a stir. Gonna make sure it's all incorporated. We're gonna save about 1/2 cup of pasta water. Nice starchy pasta water is gonna help the pasta stick. Drain that pasta, do not rinse it. Oh yeah, and 1 tablespoon of XO sauce. Secret ingredient to add a little bit more umami. And last but not least, lower the heat to low or turn it off completely and add the pasta in there. We're gonna toss it together, get that sauce all over it, and then top it off with those cooked prawns. Yum, look at that slow-mo get in my belly. Enjoy with a nice squeeze of fresh lemon.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell just at the top right-hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see everyone next week. Bye!